yes, there is going to be a part 3 because I have actually made it. What's this? It's been so long since I've been here. Wow. Oh, might take one of these. Actually, might take 2. Oh, I think that's the map. Wow. Sorry if I'm going too fast. Hopefully you can all see and read that. That bit in the middle. Oh, there's a bit of glare. Can you read that? I hope so. Right. I think it might be a good area and time to get some food maybe. Oh. Oh. Right here. Right here. Nice. Look at this. How beautiful. Lunch. Oh dear. Here comes the heat. Here comes the sun. There's a butterfly there. Right, just had lunch. Now I'm hoping to find a pond. So I came out that way and there was a pond there. Oh, you're still zoomed in. Duh. Sorry about that, guys. Not really much of a pond, though. It's hard to believe when I was a little girl I'd probably been sat on those benches and yeah, it's just crazy. Time literally goes by so quick, so you have to literally make the most of it, enjoy it while you can. Ooh. Oh cool, look guys. Look. Oh, and look, apple trees. Do you know what they are? If you know what these are, let me know. What are they? Won't focus. There we go. What are they? Oh wow. Look at that spider's web. Don't know if you could see it. Look. Oh. There, look. That's what I was originally... Oh! Look! Wow. This is so cool. Oh look, there's another one. Is that like a letterbox? Or a post box or something over there? What's that? Where are we going? It's a mystery to you, it's a mystery to me. Oh, I think we're going back round. I'm just following these logs. Another one. Oh, going in cobwebs here. Oh, sorry, the camera. Oh, excuse me, I'm coming through. And I think we might be back where we started. Not a bad little thing, is it? No, we're going to go up now. Try and get that bus. Or those buses. Oh, can you hear that as well? It's an animal or something in there. Look. It's like a little way. It's really tight in there, but look how cool that looks. I'm gonna have to explore that at some point. Please close the gate, even though the gate closes on its own. Wow. Well, I don't know where we are, but that doesn't sound very good. No, because that means we're near that road. Oh, I don't want to be near that road. Well, I've definitely missed out on seeing family now. Flipping. Can't even message back because if I do that, it'll turn this off. Oh, fucking bug. Oh. I need to get insect repellent, I think. Oh. Oh look, there's one. My dogs used to drink out of those. Oh, that has been itchy. I think that thing definitely fucking bit me. Ugh. Hopefully I'll be alright, but I get worried with things like that because sometimes it can swell up and it's not very nice. And with me being quite away from home, you know, it's quite scary, kinda, you know. It's not nice. It's not what you want. Okay, I've just come out and what is this? Why is this? Oh my goodness. What? No way. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you this, guys, but wow. So you know where the boy horror film was shot? That looks like the house, the second one. This looks like where the boy was shot. Wow. I did not expect to find a posh place like this. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Oh yeah, there's people. I might have to leave it there, but like, thumbs down, comment and subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff. I'm hoping that I'm not trapped in here. I'm hoping that the people that are over there, because their house is over there and they're over there, I'm hoping they're not going to see me. Oh shit, it looks like the gates are closed. Fuck. Oh my goodness. Wow. No way. Oh, is that a way out? No, that looks like stables. Whoa. Yeah, right, I'm going to have to go out because go back the other way and stuff. What the flip? I was not expecting to see this here. But anyway, yeah. Remember, be nice, be cautious. Manners cost nothing, being nice costs nothing. It's better to pick people up than to put them down and upset them. I will see you in the next video. I've got to do it quietly.